Hey guys, so today I'm gonna give you some tips to your next party. So I really like to do my parties on my house because if I want to retouch my makeup, I can do it, and if I want to change my outfit to a pajama because it's so late, I can do it perfectly. Something so important that I was learning is if you want to do a party and you want to save money, you can just buy everything that is cheap in the supermarket, a lot of things because that is cheap and you are saving money, and that gonna be, I don't know, something that you're going to get a lot in the party. And if you buy something expensive, you can get it back in a little portion because it is expensive. And yeah. Something so important to avoid when you're in a party is get drunk because it is horrible, and that is not something that everybody want. Someone that is bother everybody because he's drunk. I never get drunk, but I am at that point when I'm saying a lot of stupid things and everybody is laughing. In my birthday party when I was 18, I was a little bit drunk because that was my goal in that day, and I was using a really pale shirt with my dress, and everybody was thinking that haircut. I was saying something like, "My birthday came up with a haircut." It's like Sonic. Something I like to do to avoid get drunk or to feel a little bit better is drink coffee because I feel a little bit better when I drink coffee. It's a little bit weird, but I don't know. Coffee arranges everything in your life. Or a soft drink like Pepsi or something like that. Or you can eat something or drink. I like to do a game with my brother friends called Shock. When you lose, you got to drink a little bit of alcohol, and it's horrible. Sorry, but did you like my makeup? And if you a little bit, you can say to all the people that you're going to invite to bring something to the party. That's about a normal party, but don't do it on your birthday because if someone parties something like, small or uh, not too much portioned, that's gonna be the worst party ever. Birthday party. My brother's best friend was having a really great birthday party because everybody brought something. Like there was a music, soft drinks, alcohol, snack. That was so awesome, and that was one of the best parties ever. But I don't know if I'm gonna do it that day in one day. But I don't know about try it. Try to do all the recipes at home because that can be so expensive. If you want to buy everything, like the cake or some, I don't know, like some desserts, that can be too much expensive. And if you want to save money, you can do it at home. And there's a lot of YouTube channel that teach you how to make a lot of cakes, or you know if you want to buy something to your parties like decoration or something like that, try to buy something that you're going to use again because a lot of things like flowers or too much decoration or paper decoration that end in the trash and your money too. I'm trying to don't use soft drinks at my parties because I think that they are so much expensive, and instead I'm trying to use orange juice because it is so cheap and it's almost the same thing. Try to always do your parties outside because sorry but someone can steal you. So yeah, that's all for my tips. and see you in my next video.